In this video, I'll show you how to add the cashback transactions manually from the mock transaction table. So let's say I set the user and who has clicked on this Amazon link. Once they click on Amazon link, we generate a unique click ID, and that click ID is available under user click history. So if you see here, all of their click ID is captured. So this is the current user you created, and this is the click ID is available here. So if you see this, say it would pass some unique ID with this click also. Okay, so let's say 31 is the click ID, and at the same time it shows to the user under cashback activities. Click, okay, just 31 click ID. So we'll have to enter a cell here. It's a network has shared this detail. This is from the mock. It can be from Amazon also. If it is from Amazon, let me verify what kind of network it is created. Amazon, this is fine. 90 degrees fine. This is all right. Looks fine. So let's say Amazon, then campaign ID can be again anything. Okay, transaction ID what comes from the network, order ID, sell date, let's say yesterday, or even that will be 2 days late. Amount was let's say 1000. Base commission is this in currency is INR, and I want to enter it as pending. Right? The sub ID 1 will be my click ID. What is the click ID? 31. Okay, and I will click on save. Once the transaction is inserted here, I'll have to go to settings and totem, and there is something called, so I've created two tasks, Amazon daily and the mock network. Let's say you created it for Amazon, so you have to run this, execute once you execute it, the transaction is available now in the sell transaction and also in the cashback transaction. It should insert. All right, so now the sale is reflecting in the sell transaction at the same time in cashback transaction. Okay, it takes some time, so you have to have a patience in the meantime, and then you can go and remove this transaction. uh, let's say after a few days you want to mark it as confirmed, then insert again same piece of record or the piece of record that you want to just update. What is important is this network and this transaction ID both should match. Other details are not entered is also fine. Okay, and amount has to be there. Okay, let's say I'm entering this much, and let's say let me change the amount also. Instead of 1000 it is 950. You have to go in totem task and run Amazon. Now the transaction is shown as confirmed, and at the same time here also it shows as confirmed. So this is how we can import the transactions. I hope this helps.